Any kids? Hello kids, let's learn about some animals together. We will say each name slowly and wait before the next one. Are you ready?
Wild animals. First, we learn about some wild animals. Lion, tiger, elephant, giraffe, zebra, bear, monkey, kangaroo, deer, fox. Ocean animals. Now let's dive into the sea and meet some ocean animals. Fish, dolphin, whale, shark, octopus, crab, lobster, jellyfish, starfish, sea turtle. Nature animals. Next, let's look around nature and find some nature animals. Butterfly, bee, ant, spider, frog, snake, lizard, squirrel, owl, eagle. Farm animals. Now, let's go to the farm and see some farm animals. Cow, horse, goat, sheep, pig, hen, roost, duck, donkey, turkey. Pet animals. Finally, let's meet some pet animals that can live with us at home. Dog, cat, rabbit, hamster, guinea pig, goldfish, parrot, turtle, budgie, mouse, confetti ball. Yay! Great job, kids! You learned 50 animals today. Paw prints sparkles.